Hello and welcome to Brother Frederick Beats. I've just dropped the new Drill Beat Loop Kit and it's called Highway Drill Beat Loop Kit Volume 1. So let's jump into FL Studio. I'll show you some couple of moves on how you can so that you can this Highway Drill Beat Loop Kit. Hey! Right, so let me just show you what is in the folder. Click here. Then I open the folder which is written Brother Frederick Beats Highway Drill Beats Loop Kit Volume 1. If I click here. So when you open this folder, there are 30 files. 10 files, they are loops. 10 files, they are codes for the loops. Then 10 files, they are MIDI files which I've used to make the loops. So even these codes, they're also in the MIDI form. You're going to know how you can use them as I'll be showing you. So let me just pick a random one. Let us just pick this one. Just drag it and put it on the playlist. So here, as you can read, it's written Brother Frederick Beats Highway Drill Beats Loop Kit Volume 1, Loop 2, 140 BPM, key A minor. So that's the key. I made it in. So as you can see, it's not off beat because FL Studio is already on 140 BPM. So let me just show you how you can use the MIDI file for this loop, which I've used the loop number 2. So when you add it on the playlist like this, so I've already added some sound which I want to show you. You just go to pattern 2, then put them here. So here I've added some drums which I want to show you and some synth here. So let me just add the MIDI files for this loop which I've added. So as you can see here, so the loop I selected is this one, loop number 2, which is this one. So this one on top of the loop, this one is the MIDI file for the loop which I used to record this loop and make it a loop. Then this one on top of the MIDI file for the loop is codes, this one here. So when you click it here, FL Studio, it shows you here at the bottom here. Can you just check here, what are you clicking? It will show you. So just follow what is written on what you have clicked. It's the exact thing on the loop. Here it's written loop 2. So you know that this one belongs to loop 2. If you click the second one, also written loop 2 belongs to the loop 2, which is this one here. So now let me just drag these codes and drop them on this synth and just click accept. So if I play this loop and the codes, they'll be playing on key. Let me just turn off the drums. So here these codes and the loop. Let me go to this one, which is the MIDI file for the loop. In case you don't like the sound I've used to make this loop, you can use another sound and come up with the same loop. That's where the MIDI file for the loop comes in. So let me just add them on this sound here from Nexus. Just drag them and drop them on Nexus, then click accept, solo the codes. So you're going to hear that Nexus sound will be playing the same sound which the loop is playing here. Just here. You have heard it as even sound as if it's another loop which you have used because of the Nexus which I've added underneath. Turn on the drums, you can just hear it. So just hear the drums without an 808 and the chords together with the melody for the loop which I've added here. Turn off the loop. So let me just duplicate this and select another sound. Let's select choir, and let's select this one, and let's add the same MIDI file for the loop, and here the way it's going to sound this one. Click accept. Let's hear it. Just drag the volume a bit. If you want this loop kit, the link will be on the description below and also pinned on the first comment on the comment box below. This has been Brother Frederick Beats. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm out.